Yummy peppers. Yummy peppers. Okay, these are growing right here in my front yard. Stop Mike, want to go first? Sure.
Do it.
Come on, man, you got this. I'll take another bite.
Just wait until you get close to those seeds at the end. You're
No,
gonna
no,
die.
Okay, there's something you need to know about the peppers, buddy. We have them growing on top of match heads. On what? For the sulfur. For the spicy. What, you like sulfur? No, I'm sorry. Billy. My turn. Woo!
Do it, Tim.
Oh my god! So you need something to drink. Wee.
Oh my god. I'm not putting that cute.
Eat the whole thing, Michael.
Hey, if you gotta go outside, Michael, go ahead.
Eat the whole
Dude,
thing.
you're starting to cry.
Oh.
Okay.
Whole thing.
Get all those seeds up there. There you go.
All the seeds.
Oh man.
I'm gonna get another one. How about another one? Okay.
You guys are retarded.
What you think?
Hand me my chicken.
Hey, guess what? Juicy.
Oh.
I got one for you. There you go. Hey, wait. Juicy. I got one for me, too.
Whatever you do, don't rub your eyes.
Yeah. Got me another one. Thanks, Baker. Ready? No, wait. Cheers. All the people out there watching this? Yes, we're stupid. Got cheese running down my phone. Ah. Something good? Yep. My turn, I guess.
Scared, Tim?
Am I scared? Here's my answer to that.
Oh.
Oh, dude.
Well, that's pretty disgusting.
Haven't got to the seeds yet. Time for some seeds.
Oh, see.
Look at that. All seeds. All seed bags. All seeds. Those are all seeds.
Hey, guess what? Look at this, everyone.
You okay, Tim?
Yeah, I'm doing fine.
Dude, you're eating them like candy. Oh, God.
What do you think I was growing up?
How hot are those things?
Nah.
Well, they're really not that hot.
What are you laughing for? You'll see. I think I have this right next to me.
Oh.
Talk about juicy.
Let's just say, you're going to be feeling it later.
I want more.
Drink some milk. More, sir.
Come on, man. You got this.
Oh, yeah. Little bitty one. Come on.
Oh, big one. It's like this.
I want to eat before.
Yeah, I'm cutting myself off out of this one.
How many jars of these do you have?
Band and y'all be up a creek. I'm wishing you were. Or in a creek.
1 to 2.
How many of these jars do you have?
About 20?
God.